Okay. So today I'm going to tell you about continents. There are 7 continents on Earth, from largest to smallest. From largest to smallest on Earth. Okay, first we talk about Asia. Asia is our first most populated continent on the Earth. In Asia, there is famous attraction like Great Wall of China. Can you put the Great Wall of China card right over here? In Asia, what famous crop do we eat? Mango. Can you put the card of mango right over here? Now, Africa. Africa is our second most populated continent on the earth. Africa is also famous for wild animals like... Can you put the card over here? Thank you. And in Africa's famous attraction here is Opera House in Sydney. Casablanca, Casablanca. Can you put the card of Casablanca right over here? Now let's talk about North America. North America is our third most populated continent on the earth. In North America, in North America, popular attraction here is Statue of Liberty. Can you put the card of Statue of Liberty right over here? And in fruit, they eat dragon fruit. Can you put the card over here? Now let's talk about South America. South America is our fourth most populated continent on the earth. In South America, they eat in fruit aguamantu. Can you put the card of aguamantu right over here? And popular attraction here is Christ the Redeemer. Can you put the card? Now let's talk about Antarctica. Do you know that Antarctica is least populated continent on the earth because it's ice-covered continent. But Allah has created animals according to climate temperature over there. Can you give me the iceberg? Put it right over here. And Allah also created animals according to climate temperature over here, like polar bears and beautiful penguins are here. Can you put the beautiful penguins card over here? Now let's talk about Europe. Europe is our sixth most populated continent on earth. Popular attraction here is Tower Bridge in London. Can you put the card of Tower Bridge in London right over here? And also there is popular attraction here is Eiffel Tower in Paris. Can you put the card of Eiffel Tower in Paris right over here? Now last continent is Australia. The smallest continent on earth is Australia. Australia's national animal is kangaroo. Can you put the card of kangaroo over here? And also popular attraction here is Opera House in Sydney. Can you put the card of Opera House? Very good. Now we are going to take the continents back to their places.